time to take a look at our little bird sanctuary back here. Not quite the songbirds I was anticipating. Hey guys, you're okay. Oh my goodness, what you doing? Our three fellows, our three banditos having snacks. Hey buddies. And the girlies over in their pen, not caring a whit that the turkeys are around having snacks. These guys are really quite tame. And this guy, I think he's the ringleader. He's the only one that eats out of the bird feeder itself. The bird feeder is supposed to be on that stick, but that post. However, the raccoons took it down. So, yes, and that is the girlies. Alright guys, I'm going to spook you, but don't go too far. I'm just going around the house. Here I come. No, you're good. I just want to go by. Oh guys, don't worry. I'm not going too far, and we'll be back. There. Hi guys. Oh, and look who's over here. Hi girlies. So this is the girlies' pen. As you can see, covered with hawk netting. Oh, and they've got a little roof over the coop to keep it dry. And we've got lots of stuff in there. We've got some apples. What else you got in there, girlies? Well, some stuff we gotta clean up. This is Henrietta, and she's molting. And that's Nellie, and she's almost finished her molt. And they've just got lots of stumps and leaves and brush. Don't you girlies? I think someone might be. Hey girlies. Who's that? Oh, that's not Jen Jen. That's Daisy. I think Jen Jen's having an egg. Are you in there? Are you in there? Can we see her? She's in there. Oh, look, and the turkeys are back. That's something. Hey. Oh, and that's the swing that the girls are terrified of, so we got things to do, but they're living pretty large out here. Oh my gosh. The turkey's getting a drink out of the bird feed. The bird bath. We are a full service operation back here.